Introducing weatherproof speakers from OSD Audio. These speakers make it possible to enjoy music in high humidity areas. The powder-coated micro-perforated aluminum grills are rust resistant and have a built-in screen for protection against dust and insects. The driver is secured by a glued and sealed Santoprene thermoplastic vulcanized elastomer surround, an incredibly durable alternative to rubber, ideal for extreme temperatures and humidity levels. Stainless steel screws are used to mount the driver, which itself is made of fiberglass, the same material found in shipyards. A titanium tweeter is used for strength, rigidity, and for its ability to resist corrosion. The crossovers use high-quality air-cooled chokes and polypropylene resistors, ensuring great sound as well as durability. And finally, by gold plating the input terminals, we make sure that the electrical connection will always be good. Gold does not rust and remains one of the best conductors known to man. Whether you want great music outdoors, perhaps mounting the speakers in the soffit or overhang, or in a shower or bathroom, our weatherproof range has the right product for you. Clear instructions are provided for installation with templates for cutout size, and a paint mask is included to allow for custom color matching. OSD, we have great products at affordable prices direct from the factory. Music everywhere for everyone.